Oh, hey! I didn't see you there. Welcome. This is JohnnyQ Crafts. I'm your boy, JohnnyQ. And this is Dyeing After Dark with JohnnyQ. On this episode of Dyeing After Dark, we'll be tie-dyeing a t-shirt using the spiral pattern. If you like tie-dye, come along. Let's go tie-dye a shirt. Hot ass, huh? Alright, here we go. First, you start by getting you a bucket of water and putting you a packet of soda ash in. Put your gloves on and let your shirt soak for up to 30 minutes. We put in an extra shirt and we put in a hoodie. And after it's soaked and it's all done, you just squeeze it and try to drain out all the extra water and soda ash. And so once it's ready, you just bring it over your work table and you lay it out. And to do a spiral pattern, you just pinch it from the middle and just give a little twist until the whole t-shirt's in a ball. And for the style we're doing is I'm gonna put rubber bands on it and make it turn into basically like a piece of pizza, or a pizza cutting into 8 pieces. Because I have 8 colors set aside here. And I'll make sure I got the folds the way I like it, kinda. And tuck in all the loose bits, like some of the arms, and make sure the neck's all in there. And then make sure I got the 8 pieces. And then I'm gonna start on this side of it with some purple. We mixed up the dyes off camera because all it really is it's the Tulip brand dye. And all you need to do is add water and just shake it up and it's ready to use. You can find it at most craft stores, or maybe even I think Walmart has this brand. Our setup here is just a trash bag flattened out, and I made sure to raise the shirt off of the table onto this grate here, because if extra dye drips through, you don't want your t-shirt just sitting in all the dye colors mixed together, because all the colors mixed together just turn to black, and that will, unless you want black dye on there, which they make black dye, it'll just ruin the colors you're going for. And so basically I also went for the color wheel pattern with my purple into the blue, into the green, into the yellow, into the orange, into the red, and into the pink. I understand that's not true Roy G. Biv way, but it was the colors we decided we had, and it's what we liked. But you can use any colors you want for any tie-dye shirt you want. I mean, heck, we might even do more tie-dyed shirts on the channel, because once your boy JohnnyQ starts making one craft, he's going to make a whole lot more of that craft again and again. And heck, if you like this tie-dyed shirt, you like my tie-dyed discs, check them out on the Etsy store. And let us know in the comments if you want to start seeing some of my tie-dyed shirts in the Etsy store. We can hook a brother up with a good-looking tie-dyed shirt. We like to make stuff funky. And make sure you follow us on all the social medias out there at JohnnyQ Crafts, because we have the coolest posts of all the coolest crafts. Yeah, dude. So once you get one side colored and you think you're done, well, guess again, you ain't. You got to flip it over and dye the other side. And my strategy for flipping it over and down the other side is making sure the previous dyed color is laying down where it already has that color of dye on the grate. So instead of full-blown flipping it like a pancake, I just picked it up and turned it belly up. And then once you've dyed the front and the back, you still ain't done yet. Surprise! You gotta go get a bag. And you put it in a plastic bag and let it set for about 8 to 10 hours. And then once it sets in there, you bring it over to your sink. We take it to our shop sink here. We unbag it and we rinse it out, trying to get out all the extra dye that's bleeding out of it, because we're about to wash it, and it's just easier to wash it if you squeeze out all the extra dye so you don't get all that dye in your wash machine. But even already with it being in just a ball, it already looks pretty cool to me. I know it's going to be a good tie-dyed shirt. My fiance's going to love it. Once you're done rinsing it out, you check out how purty it is, and then you give it a little wash in the wash machine. Not too heavy, just a little wash. And dry it, and hang it, and check it out. It sure is a good looking t-shirt. Oh, hey, you're back. I'm glad you stayed. How'd you like the video? I know I liked it. So if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because apparently it helps the channel. Stay cool.